Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya. Just unpack on the case, Lega, Jocelyn. It's so heartbreaking, this case, guys. Oh my word.
So ke baconfessa-ke this week ukuthi no ingane ise-West Africa iyathengiselwa e-Nigerian, and then there's a new one ke manje ukuthi no, actually the child was sold to a sangoma. Guys, it's a lot. So for the past 2 weeks we saw people that were close to Kelly, Umaga Jocelyn, testifying in court, being the teacher ka Jocelyn and a friend of Jocelyn's mother, Kelly, testifying, and basically things are unfolding there that we never thought we will hear in our lives. I'm just like, guys, so many things. See, coming up manje lezi zinto, guys. And the boyfriend engifila ukuthi une-entitlement and nenhliziyo embi, basically. Friend was saying ukuthi hayi lo bebemshaya lo. Awusi bruises kodwa akafuna ukukhuluma ukuthi where are the bruises coming from. And another thing that I noticed on Jocelyn's mom, Kelly, is that she was very thin when this trial started. Sisters, now she's gotten bigger. Kunesezekile manje ejele all of a sudden. Kodwa alahlekelwa ingane. She was thin, and I think it came out of the disappearance basically of Jocelyn, plus the boyfriend emhlukumenza emenza izinto. You know what's sad also around the disappearance is that even the police in Saldanha Bay tried to locate the child when they were told to know the child is on the way to West Africa in a container. They went there to check, there was nothing, which I even feel good. Then maybe it happened days before. Like, I think my main thing is that uphi uJocelyn and unjani, you know, ufila kanjani, and somehow I even think she's still alive. Have you ever felt like that? I'm just like, what is she going through? She's scared. She's thinking, what's going on? Guys, it's a lot. So Jocelyn's mother, Kelly, actually confessed to the teacher, ukuthi no, my child is on the way to West Africa. Guys, how do you even? So basically, into ka Jocelyn Smith is more of an HT. Ukuthathwa kwalengane esingazi nokuthi manje ikuphi nokuthi yaphelela kuphi. And Kelly comes and acts, and then abe a victim, playing these victim games with us. But at the end of the day, you are involved most in this. How now are you playing innocent? How is that even going to work? Jocelyn's story, guys, is heartbreaking. Imagine Obabaga Jocelyn, he fell at some stage. Guys, as uza awo ubaba bantu, just nje from shock and frustration. No koko ka Jocelyn, you saw her. Esho ukuthi no, that all you want is funa ingane. Uma Jocelyn Marcus, what was in her mind? Uyicabanga nto mama lo? Yeah. And the fact that there's even social workers involved. Yabona ukuthi kade uRaquel phelele igama lakhe uKelly umaga Jocelyn. Kade kwenzekile igaba. Yabona there's been things going on. Get your mama involved in social workers. You must just know ukuthi that home has a problem. There's been problem and issues around this whole thing killing. Ngoba phela masusubuka kahle uyena esifile ukuthi lana she is in the center. But my thing is that the boyfriend could be involved, but when as a man you are the one that sold the child to the boyfriend and whoever you sold the child to. And I just feel even the paternal grandmother, right, and the father, why didn't they just take Jocelyn? If we were going through so much, Jocelyn through our social workers mentioning now in court ukuthi usister Zilo, Raquel Kelly, umaga Jocelyn was on iziyobisi nezidakamizo. Like honestly, but you still left Jocelyn to be in this crazy woman's care. umuntu ongekho right ofuna satisfy umsangano wakhe lo weyidakamizwa using ingane. Lezi gaxa manje lezi ayishoyo usisi lo wase social services, you know, I just feel like nabo then they failed Jocelyn. Out of 5 people that failed Jocelyn bakhona lapho, the social worker, because she seems like she knows a lot now, but all of a sudden she knows izinto eziningi. But wawuthule nalezo zinto, and you knew there was a problem in that home. There is more than 90 witnesses that needs to take the stand on Jocelyn's case trial. Maybe let me put it that way. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi kuyoqedwa nini abantu bebhizi bethengise ngengane. You ask yourself that question, you're just like, how heartbreaking is this? The defense did grill sisters lo wase social services ukuthi hayibo sis njani, how did you help in this situation? Because when awukaze basenzela abantu laba, the fact that you knew so much about them, but buka manje ukuthi sikuphi uphi Jocelyn, uyibona leyo nto leyo. Ngoba kahle masubuka this whole thing, the main interest la was uJocelyn around all zonke ingane zikaKelly for that matter around social services, but that didn't happen. Their interest wasn't there. That's how the defense feels. Ukuyibona leyo nto leyo. So guys, ekhothi ku end up ekuthiwa the latest now witness did mention ukuthi no, actually uJocelyn was actually sold to Isangoma for 20,000. And the times I was supposed to go which one is which one, where's the Nigerian that took the child? You start to don't understand the. So the Nigerian got the child from the Sangoma. Which one is a real story here? So sizoma kancane ngama highlights ka Jocelyn iyaqhubeka futhi case on Monday. I'm gonna try and do it every 2 days next week, because at times akuzwakali nakahle, you know. And uTisha at some stage she even said to me, angifuna ukubonakala uBrigadier Gininda, I guess you must go to court. But I've always asked myself ukuthi bazozumela yini lapha kuSenzome to come in to court. I need to find that out, you know. Ngoba phela thina uyasazi ke sobe sisithathe izithombe nje zika Brigadier Gininda, more especially, you know, ngesizithathe izithombe zabanye abantu sizobenzani. So that's my thing, need to get his photos and all of that. So uTisha was like, Mina, no photos. So I think during the media was like, okay, we're not gonna take your pictures again. Yeah, so he ended up for now, guys. I'm gonna continue footing. I appreciate you guys so much. I really appreciate how you've been nice to me. Although there was just one person footing this week, yeah, because I need to was gakhulu ngoSenzome. Yeah, but it's fine. It's all good. So my thing is that it's all good, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you so much, guys, for your support in Tanda Over.